Hello and good day. Welcome to our brand new website, zooslippers.com. We specialize in slippers for babies, infants, boys, girls, women, and men, all sizes. We have animal slippers from around the world. We have dolphin slippers. We have Disney slippers. We have lion slippers and tiger slippers, elephant slippers. We have Spider-Man slippers. We have every kind of slippers, bunny slippers, and all kinds of wonderful plush slippers for you to choose. Please click the link below the video now, and it'll take you over to zooslippers.com. We'd like to thank you for the opportunity to serve you, and if you have any questions, you can just email us from the website, and we'll get right back to you as quick as we can. And thank you again. Click the link below the video now, and have a wonderful day. Hello and good day. Welcome to our brand new website called zooslippers.com. We have slippers for all size children, boys, girls, women, and men. These are zoo slippers, animal slippers. They are wonderful plush slippers. We have all sizes, brand new, 2018 and beyond. So you can find a link below the video. Click the link now and it'll take you to the website. So this is zooslippers.com. We specialize in animal slippers from around the world. And I think that you'll find lots of wonderful choices. We're excited to have you as a new customer, and everything is on sale because we have a huge promotion. That is zooslippers.com. Click the link below the video now, and thank you very much. And if you have any questions, you can simply contact us with our email from the website, and we are here to help you any time of the day. Thank you, and have a happy day.
Audio Jungle.